Tired of tasks getting lost in the Basecamp shuffle? Let's get organized. In this video, I'll show you how to seamlessly move tasks to the right group in Basecamp to boost team alignment and efficiency. First, navigate to the Basecamp project containing the task you want to move. Take a look at all the current tasks and what lists they are in. Locate the task and simply drag and drop it from its current add group to the correct one. It's that easy to move the task where it belongs. Alternatively, you can click on the task to open its details. Select the Edit option to open the task settings. In the settings, find the Add Group drop-down menu. Click the drop-down and select the appropriate add group. From the list, make sure you choose the add group that aligns with the task's objectives. Once you've selected the correct add group, click the Save button to apply the changes. This will move the task and update its location in the project. Regularly review your task assignments. Ensuring tasks are in the correct add group streamlines communication and keeps everyone focused. This will keep things running smoothly. Moving tasks to the right add group is the key to a well-organized Basecamp project, improved focus, and enhanced team alignment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Basecamp tips.